In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method on Dhgate. The quickest way to switch how you pay on Dhgate is to do it right at checkout, before you place your order. Start by opening dhgate.com in your browser or launching the Dhgate app. Make sure you're signed in so your cart, saved addresses, and any wallet balance are available. A stable connection helps prevent payment timeouts. Next, find the item you want to purchase and add it to your cart. If you prefer, you can tap Buy Now on the product page. Both options bring you to the checkout flow. On the checkout screen, confirm your shipping address. Double-check the recipient name, street details, apartment or unit number, and postal code. An accurate address reduces delivery delays and ensures the shipping fee is calculated correctly. Now move to the payment section. This is where you choose a different method for this order. Dhgate typically offers credit or debit card, PayPal, where supported, and Dhgate wallet. Availability can vary by your region, the seller, and the currency you're using. If you pick a card, make sure the name, card number, expiration date, and security code match your bank's records, and that the billing address is correct. Many banks use 3D Secure, so be ready to approve a verification prompt. If PayPal shows up for your order, selecting it will redirect you to log in and confirm your payment there, then bring you back to Dhgate to finish. For Dhgate Wallet, ensure you have enough balance to cover the full total, including item price, shipping, and any taxes. Before you pay, take a moment to review the entire order. Confirm the item variant, quantity, and shipping method. Look for any coupons or discounts you want to apply, and verify the total. This quick check helps avoid accidental charges or the need to cancel and reorder. When everything looks good, click Pay Now. Dhgate will process the transaction using the payment method you just selected. That selection effectively changes your payment method for this purchase before the order is completed, even if you've used a different default method in the past. If you don't see the option you want, it may be temporarily unavailable or restricted by location or seller. Trying a different card, switching currency to USD, or updating the app can help. Also, confirm your bank isn't blocking international transactions. That's it. By choosing your preferred option on the payment page and reviewing your order, you can confidently change your payment method on Dhgate before you finalize the purchase.